Hey there, Paint Yoga fans. So it's a couple of weeks before Thanksgiving. Literally, it's Thursday. And in November, what am I going to eat from my garden? Well, guess what? I decided to bring in these beautiful cabbages from the garden today. So I may just be making some cabbage rolls in a minute. And since I have the equipment, why not film it? So I'm going to get started. I've set up my cameras and stuff right there. So I'm going to do the breadcrumbs. I've got a couple different kinds of carrots, radishes, some garlic, mushrooms, some cilantro from my garden. This is marjoram and thyme and mint and celery leaves and some basil leaves too. I'm going to do the bread up in the toaster and then mix that all in with the ground meat and these beautiful cabbages from the garden. So let's get started. Beautiful leaves. I'm going to boil those in some boiling water. I may need to use some more leaves from here. These beautiful heads could become coleslaw. In here I have the breadcrumbs from the toaster, mushrooms, leaves from the garden. We have mint and marjoram leaves, and we have some dried basil and thyme. We have celery from the garden, chopped up radishes, and orange and white carrots. And that's all going to go in with the beautiful and delicious meatloaf mix. And that'll get cooked up into these beautiful cabbage rolls. So the next step is going to be, I guess, getting some water boiling, I would guess. So cabbage rolls neatly tucked in here. I'm going to put some toppings on and bake them in the oven at 350 for, I don't know, 45 minutes. Look at that. Delicious. It's been in that oven about 35 minutes. It smells wonderful in here. And even though I set the timer for 45 minutes, I did that pre-cooking on the stove. And that cheese, look at that. Look at that beautiful cheese. So I feel like if I let it cook for the rest of this next 10 minutes, it's probably going to just be too much, and I don't want to burn that beautiful cheese, so I'm going to let it cool for 10 minutes and then cut into it and enjoy.